Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome Today in the newspaper of Tuesday, February the 20th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the tectonic, aka JigSaw Sudoku. We have also in this newspaper the additional. Yesterday we have no additional, so I've solved the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition, but it's back. And we have here in this additional the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 JigSaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. 7 extra puzzles, I won't do them all. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And what's the news of today? Well, I've heard on TV the body of Navalny, yes, the opponent of Putin, is disappeared. Yeah, the mother of Navalny asked Putin where or give the body back because she wants to bury him. Of course, it's a tragedy. Yes, to hear this from the mother. All right, let me see. The first one is a 3 stars Sudoku. Let me position the camera first because I'm having troubles with the tripod. Come on. Need to move this. Okay, the first one, the 3 star Sudoku, and this will be number 8038. Yes, 8038. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has, I believe, 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Usually the 3 stars has 25, so 2 digits more. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. And it has 27. Should be a 1 star puzzle. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if this is a 1 star. Minutes. If this is a 1 star or a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. 3 minutes already passed. Cannot believe this. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this column. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in this box. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in the third row, so no 2 there. Only place level 2. Should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 4. It should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in this last row, so no 3 in there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. Okay. So 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Right. And now 3 and the 1. 3 and 1, okay. 3, 1, 8. 1 and 8, and the 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers of 3 and a 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in the middle column, so no 3 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, I believe. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Did I make a mistake? No. Yeah, I made a mistake. Ooh, I placed a 2 there. Cannot be the 2 here. This is incorrect. Oh, overlook this. So 2, 2. So need a 2 there. Oh, almost made a mistake. Okay. So 1 and 1, 5, and 3. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 in the third row, no 5 there. So the only place left of 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 3 places left of 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 in the third row, so no 5 there. The only place left of 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the first in this column. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have the 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright, and now 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4, 4. Alright. 3 and 2, 3, and then 9. Then 1 and 8. How about the number? I need a 5 here. I need a pair again. 4 in this column. 4 in the column next. So the last column, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in the last row, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2, 2. And now, need a 9 here. Yeah, I'm thinking. 5, 5, need a 5 there. How about? Need a 6 there. Need a 7 there. Come on. Need a 2, need a 2 there. Yeah. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Okay, need a 2 there. How about the number 8, 1. The number 3, 3, need a 3 there. Need a 3 here. Well, these 2 boxes, we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Okay, so we have a 3 in this column. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. Okay. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. On the last column, only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. And I believe the 4. We have a pair. The 4 and a 5 in this row. The 4 and a 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 4 and a 5 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and 5, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. And look, we have 4 and 5 in this third column, so no 4 and 5 in this box. 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. And now, need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Okay, 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, 8. 9 is missing. 6 and 9. 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be in, the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the last row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 is missing. 7, 8. 7 and 8, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be, and 8 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square. For number 1, 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7. 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 1 is left in this middle row. For number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this first column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. And now, how about a 7 in the first row? 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only place left for the 7 should be there. And I've eliminated there the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 is left in the third row for the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 9 goes there. Find out 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, told you need to be faster than 15 minutes. Should be a 1 star, maybe a 0 stars. And we solve it again, And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.